How to practically organize your financial life with the information vault. Presented by Holistic Investment Planners. As you reach 30 years of age, you have already spent hundreds of hours working on your personal finance. And as you grow older, this number only grows larger. Starting from monthly savings to investing in mutual funds and stocks, you must have come a long way. Along the way, you may also have learned about risk management, emergency fund, retirement corpus, or you may even prepared a will. Despite all this, you still might feel a lack of structure to your financial life. Where does this come from? On the usual days, you may not even notice it until you are seriously affected by it. In an emergency situation, you will realize that a lack of structure is the door to financial mess. Where did I keep the document? This question is not new to any of us. At some point, we all have stopped for a moment and asked ourselves this question. It's not only about any document, but also about any essential financial information. But if only we have asked the real question, how can I bring structure to my financial life to make my life easy? I asked myself the same question and found this. It is the information vault. So, what is this information vault? An information vault is basically a black box. It is an editable PDF document where you can write and save and track all your essential financial information. In your absence, even your family can have access to it and use the essential financial information to make their lives easy. For instance, if you fall ill and get hospitalized today, who will step up and take up the responsibility to take care of your family? Will they have access to all the essential financial information to act as you would act? If so, how sure are you that they will reach for the insurance policy card instead of cashing out the emergency fund? It is a possibility, isn't it? The Financial Information Vault takes care of all such problems and many more. It is your one-stop destination to all your personal finance and other essential information. Imagine having a protected document file that lets you save your personal and family members' details, emergency contacts, loan and EMI information, insurance policy information, bank and property details, also your investment details, account credentials like user IDs and usernames, also the contact details of your financial and legal advisors, and the physical storage location of the important documents. All of these in one safe place for you to access at any time you want. Creating the information vault is useful in various situations, like in case of your unfortunate death, or if you are critically injured and cannot communicate with your family, or when your family needs quick information in an emergency situation, or you need an information to make important financial decision. So what are you waiting for? Act now. Download the free information vault template from our website. Fill all the essential details with a message to your loved one. You can save the information vault locally on any of your devices, or you can save it on the cloud drive of your choice. Don't forget to download the information vault. Download link is in description. But most important of all, give the complete information vault to your loved one. Let your family know that you are there for them even if you are not physically present with them. So if you like this video, like and share this video with your friends. Also, for more personal finance updates, don't forget to subscribe to holisticinvestment.in.